Also we have a measure of central tendency, another measure is median and mode. Okay, right? So what is median? So if you see the median value, median is exactly middle value. As the word implies, it is exactly the middle value. So as an example, suppose if you have 2, 4, 1, 6, 7, 11. Right? To get the median, first you have to sort this in your increasing or decreasing order. Let's say, suppose we have another number which is, let's say, 15. Okay, we'll sort it. It will come as 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 11, 15. This is the sorted value. Right? So your middle value, this is your number of terms are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 terms. So it means that this is odd. Okay. In case of odd, the middle value is very easy to get. See, this will be your middle value, the fourth term. Right? Why the fourth term is middle value? 3 terms are here, 3 terms are here. So this is exactly the middle value. So what you can say is, if the number of terms is n, your middle value will be, the median will be n plus 1 by 2th term. So here it will be n is 7 plus 1 8 by 2. That means 4th term will be your middle value. This is when the number of terms is odd. But if the number of terms is even, let's say suppose this 15th is not there. That means this is not there. So now what you have is, to get the median, what we have is, now the number of terms are 6. So in this case the middle value will be somewhere in between. See this, I can divide this as 3 and this as 3. So the middle value will be somewhere here. So that means the middle value is the average of. So that means the middle value is between these two. Okay, when you have divided this as 3 and this as 3, so it will be your 4 and 6 average of these two, which is 5. So what we can say is, the middle value in this case will be the average of third term and the fourth term. Third term is what? Third term is 6 by 2, fourth term is 6 by 2 plus 1. So in case of even terms, it is the average of n by 2th term and the n by 2 plus 1th term. So middle value of the observation is the median. Odd terms, it is very simple. Average, it is this way it is being denoted. Then what is mode? Mode is the highest number of occurrence of a data set. So as an example, suppose the numbers are like this. Right? So these are the numbers. So in this case, 2 is occurring the most number of times. So your mode is 2. That is, whichever number is occurring the most time. In case of interval, class interval, that interval which has the highest frequency, that is called as your modal interval. Okay. Now, if let's say suppose I add additional data here, I add 3 also here. So now what has happened is, now you have 2 modes. Okay. 2 and 3 both are the modes. So this distribution, it is called as your bimodal distribution, because it has 2 mode. If I add 4 also, so the now 3 terms have the highest frequency. So in this case it is called as your trimodal. If you add another number 5, in this case now you have 4 data, all 4 are having the highest frequency. In this case there is no mode. Why there is no mode? Because all the terms have the same frequency. Right? So when all the terms have the same frequency, there is no mode. Okay. When you have less than 1, all minus 1, then you can have the mode. So you can have unimodal distribution, okay, where it's only one mode. You can have bimodal, you can have trimodal, you can have multimodal, but it cannot have that there will be no mode when frequency is same for all. Okay, then you will not have any mode. As an example, suppose you have this is the distribution, let's say 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, here in this case all these have the same frequency 1. In this case there is no mode over here.